A warm morning to one and all present here. Before we move on to the online orientation program, I would like to introduce myself. Myself Mamta from BA Economic Department.
And I'm Rajeshwari from Commerce Department. We are going to be the MCs of the day.
Let us start with the famous saying, let's a new day, fresh start, fresh energy, new opportunity, get your mind right, be thankful, be positive and start your day right now.
Let's begin with an invocation song.
Now I request everyone to raise up for the Jain Mahamantra followed by the Tamil Thaivalthu.
Sira
again, we welcome you all as the name of freshers, giving best wishes for your brightest future. Work hard and study smart. Believe in yourselves. Always remember your path to achieve your goal. Without losing hope, one day you will get the opportunity to succeed in your life.
Now I request to the Secretary in charge of the AM Jain College, Shri M. Shantimul Nahar, to address the gathering.
Welcome to freshers at AM Jain College, the 70-year-old college. The shift 1, the morning, which starts at 8:30. The students are expected to be punctual before the commencement of the college, maintain full discipline, well dressed, and they have to come in the campus. The college consists of shift 1, 7 undergraduate courses and 4 postgraduate courses. We request to visit and see the infrastructure of the college, and also will participate in various activities, the lab and other things should be fully utilized. Students are also should utilize the library facility. We are having nearly 1 lakh books. The student must visit the library and enrich their knowledge. NCC, NSS, Road Tract and other clubs are there. The student must join them and participate for their own benefit and knowledge. The placement cell is also available in the college. If the students can avail the facility as and when there is opportunity come to you, I am sure you will enjoy our college life. There is 2 canteens is also working. The college is maintaining strict vegetarian diet. Nobody should bring any non-vegetarian food in the college. No alcohol is allowed. So better maintain discipline, maintain the dignity of this college, and I am sure that you will enrich the knowledge for the betterment of your future, and all the best for your life and future. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
I request our beloved Principal Dr. N. Venkataraman, sir, to address the gathering.
Namaste. Very good morning to all the freshers of the UG and PG program, to AM Jain College, Meenambakam. I am Venkatramanan, the principal of this esteemed institution, standing in front of you to speak a few words. The college, which was started in the year 1952 under the vision of Sri Mohan Malji Chodia, has grown into a great institution in this part of India and in this part of the city. We are situated at Meenambakam, very close to the railway station, closer to GST Road, and now the metro railway station. The college always believes in the motto that we need to educate children and liberate them to achieve great success. This is a Jain minority institution which was started as an exclusive men's college in the year 1952 and got converted into a co-education institution in the year 2003. The social concept of the management made this institution get converted into a co-education institution because educating the girl child was and is and will be the need, and the country will go forward with getting girls educated and enabling them to be self-sufficient. And the founder of our institution, Padma Shri Mohanmalji Chodia, wanted education to be provided at affordable rates to the students and the community, specifically Jain community and other communities also. Following his footsteps, we are very proud to say that even today, this is one of the most affordable colleges in the city of Madras, and we are very proud that the college does not accept any donation or capitation fee from our students. Management has been providing opportunities for students to develop themselves into fit young citizens who will take the country forward. This year and a half that has passed by has been the worst that the world has seen. COVID-19 is a disaster which has brought the entire world to its knees. The secretary of our college, late Shri Sardarmalji Chodia, and his beloved wife, late Shri Panna Devi Chodia, thought that in addition to providing education to the student community, the need of the hour was to serve the society and to be of some help to everybody who has been suffering. It is in this regard that the COVID Center for both allopathy and Siddha medicine was started in the campus, inaugurated by the Chief Minister of Tamil Nadu, Sri M.K. Stalin. And this was the first private aided institution to get into this initiative. We are very proud and we are very happy to say that the medical service which was provided to the patients who came here was totally free of cost. The management bore all the expenses, and every single person who got himself admitted here was given excellent treatment, and all of them went back to their homes safe and healthy. Food was provided from coffee to the milk in the night free of cost. X-rays and other medicines which needed to be provided was also given free of cost. In addition to this initiative, the management thought it fit to deliver food at the footsteps of people who have been quarantined with COVID-19. Food in a Jiffy was a program where our estate employees went and delivered breakfast, lunch and dinner free of cost to staff who were suffering, Jain community people who were affected with COVID in and around 5 kilometers radius of the college. This program is a great success, and we are very proud to say that the college stood up at the time when the world needed it most and helped everybody around. In addition to seeing a great disaster all over the world, Jain College suffered the biggest tragedy that a year could see. We lost our secretary's wife, Mrs. Panna Devi Chodia, and followed in quick succession by the untimely and the sad demise of our secretary, Sri Sardar Malji Chodia. Even in their last days, their thought was about how the institution should be, how they could serve the society. They died rich in the hearts of many of us and in the hearts of all the staff members and students who are here today. We, the staff members, rededicate ourselves to the vision of the great couple who have shown us the way how to be kind, how to be generous, how to be compassionate, and how to be a good human being. It is a great pleasure to welcome you all today to this institution. I would like to touch upon certain aspects that are dear to this college. We are a complete vegetarian institution. We do not allow non-vegetarian food to be brought to the campus, and the canteens which are there in this campus provide good, healthy vegetarian food. We do not accept any donation or capitation fee. We do not entertain any student to be ragged, and that doesn't happen in this campus. We have 8 departments which cater to the UG students, namely English, Economics, Philosophy, BSc Mathematics, BSc Physics, BSc Chemistry, BCom General and BCom Corporate. In the PG, we have MA in Economics, MCom, MSc Mathematics, MSc Physics and MSc Chemistry. The MPhil programs are conducted by the Department of Economics, Commerce, Physics and Mathematics. Research and doctoral program is available in the Department of Physics, Economics and Mathematics. This institution believes that the student who comes to this college goes out into the world fit to serve this nation and fit to take the nation to the next level. It's my pleasure to introduce our colleagues to you. Tamil department is headed by Dr. Bhaskaran, Hindi department Dr. Annadanam Madhu, Sanskrit department Professor Ramdas, French department Professor Radha, English department Professor Philip Chandrahasan, Economics department Dr. Murali, Philosophy department Dr. Manigandan, History department Dr. Ananthakrishnan, Mathematics department Dr. Mahavir, who is also the vice principal of the college, Physics department Dr. Ramesh, Chemistry department Professor Madhavan, Commerce department Dr. Sampath, Corporate department Professor Sharmila, Physical Education department Dr. Ravi Kumar, Library headed by Dr. Sujata and the office headed by Mr. Ravi Chandran and his team. This institution has been existing here for 65 years plus. What this college has done to the city of Chennai, to the state of Tamil Nadu, and to the country of India and the world around is because of the great students who have come here, studied, and who are outside in the world. Every single staff member in this institution believes that this is our family. We as teachers, non-teaching staff, believe that our students are our children. It is for me to tell this to the parents that you can be rest assured that your children will be taken care of in a very good way, and you can be happy that your child has joined this great institution. It's not a question of being proud, or this statement doesn't come out of any ego. With all my humility, I bow to all the teachers who have served this institution, to all the elder management committee members who are responsible for what the institution is today, because the institution depends upon the quality of teachers, the leadership and the vision of the management, and how the students respond to what we have to give them. There are many things that will come up in the near future. Your online classes will start. The announcement for the online classes will be made in the respective groups which have been formed by the departments. And it is also my duty and responsibility to request all the parents to ensure that all their children who are above the age of 18 to be vaccinated, and vaccination is the only way that we can save ourselves from this COVID pandemic. We as an institution have conducted 4 to 5 vaccination camps. All our staff members have been vaccinated. Most of our students have also benefited from the vaccination camp that has taken place in the college from time and again. We maintain standard operating procedures as envisaged by the government. Our classrooms and restrooms and canteen are clean. They are disinfected regularly, and the students can be sure that they are entering into a neat and a clean campus. I take this opportunity to thank you all for being patient in listening to me. I've met most of the students and parents during admission. During the course of the years to come, we will have closer interaction. My only request to the parents would be, the department's doors are open for the parents. The principal's room is accessible to the parents. I would request the parents to come and see the college, come and visit the department, inquire about how well their students are faring, and you can be happy that your child is studying well. All the best to all of you. Namaste. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now, I request our Vice Principal and Head of the Department of Mathematics, Dr. B. Mahavis, sir, to address the gathering.
Respected Secretary of the College, Sri Sri Mohan Malji Chodia, who has been the pillar of strength behind everyone when they do anything academically or non-academically in this college. He deserves wonderful praises and a million thanks for his unstinted support and continuous monitoring of this college, of which this program is one. I take this opportunity to thank the committee members of the management committee for being with us on everything that happens in this college on any scale. I'll be failing in my duty if I do not thank the principal of this college, Dr. N. Venkataraman, who oversees every single aspect of anything done in this college, of which this particular program is not an exception. If this program has come out this well, it is only by the efforts of our principal. He deserves thanks from every cross section of this particular gathering, the HODs, the teachers, the students and the parents. I thank the head of the departments for sharing their views with the new entrants in the college to make them comfortable during their study in this college. I thank all the faculty members for their presence here. I think before I go to the students, I thank the parents for number one, choosing this college for your ward, for doing the course that your ward has chosen. For that, I think the entire college thanks you. not last but not the least, the students who are the very purpose of this particular programs, the first year students who have entered this college. I thank you all for two things. One is choosing this college for your study, and two, conducting yourself in a proper manner and getting a successful degree from this college in a later date. In anticipation, I thank you for that as well. Thank you very much for being involved in this. There are so many people who are involved in this. The technical staffs, the students who are actually making the videos and compiling it, and then making it as a perfect one video presentation. The other staffs who were directly or indirectly involved in the production of this particular video. I thank one and all. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Now, teachers are the role model of the society. Teachers are helpful to provide a better understanding to the child about the subject. Now I request the head of the Department of Tamil, Dr. P. Bhaskaran sir, to address the gathering.
மாணவர்களே வணக்கம். அகச்சன் மான்மல் ஜெயின் கல்லூரிக்கு கல்வி பயில வந்திருக்கும் உங்கள் அனைவரையும் வருக வருக என்று மகிழ்ச்சியோடு வரவேற்கிறேன். நான் தமிழ்துறை தலைவர் பு. பாஸ்கரன். நீங்கள் படிக்கப் போகும் தமிழ் பாடம் தொடர்பான செய்திகளை இப்பொழுது உங்களிடம் பகிர்ந்து கொள்ள இருக்கிறேன். நீங்கள் கல்லூரிக்கு வந்தவுடன் தமிழ் படிக்க வேண்டுமா அப்படின்னு சில பேருக்கு மனசில் தோன்றலாம். பள்ளியோடு இது நிறுத்திவிடலாமே என்று சில மாணவர்களோடு கேட்டிருக்காங்க. ஏன்னா கல்லூரிக்கு வந்த பிறகு தான் தமிழிலே பேசுவது, கட்டுரைகள் எழுதுவது, கவிதைகள் எழுதுவது, பல கல்லூரிகளுக்கு சென்று போட்டிகளில் கலந்து கொள்வது, அதற்கான பயிற்சி களம் கல்லூரி தான். ஆகவே தான் கல்லூரியில் தமிழ் பாடத்தை வச்சிருக்கிறாங்க. இந்த தமிழ் பாடத்தை நீங்கள் 2 ஆண்டுகள் படிக்க போறீங்க. BA, BSc, BCom ஜெனரல் இந்த 3 பட்ட வகுப்பிலும் 2 ஆண்டுகள் தமிழ் படிக்கணும். 4 பருவங்கள், பருவம்னா செமஸ்டர். BCom ஜெனரலில் 2 பருவங்கள், ஓராண்டு மட்டும்தான் தமிழ் படிக்க போறீங்க. இந்த தமிழ் மாணவர்கள் அல்லாமல் இந்த சமஸ்கிருதம், ஹிந்தி, பிரெஞ்சு, தெலுங்கு, மலையாளம் போன்ற பிற மொழி பாடங்களை படிக்கக்கூடிய மாணவர்கள் கட்டாயமாக அடிப்படை தமிழ் படிக்க வேண்டும். அதாவது பள்ளிகளில் 10ஆம் வகுப்பு வரையோ அல்லது 8ஆம் வகுப்பு வரையோ தமிழ் படித்துவிட்டு அதன் பிறகு தமிழ் படிக்காத மாணவர்கள் அப்படின்னு சில பேர் இருப்பாங்க. அவர்கள் அட்வான்ஸ்டு தமிழ், சிறப்பு தமிழ் படிக்கணும், கட்டாயமாக படிக்கணும். அப்போ பார்த்தீங்கன்னா எல்லா மாணவர்களும் இந்த அடிப்படை தமிழ், சிறப்பு தமிழ், பொது தமிழ் இந்த 3இல் ஏதாவது ஒன்றை கட்டாயம் படிக்க வேண்டும். அது விவரங்களை எல்லாம் நீங்கள் வகுப்புக்கு வருகிற பொழுது நேரடி வகுப்பிலே உங்களுக்கு நாங்கள் தெளிவாக சொல்லுவோம். இன்னொரு விஷயம் மாணவர்களே, உங்களுக்கு பொதுவான சில செய்திகளை சொல்கிறேன். S12 அதான் தமிழ் துறைக்கு உண்டான அறை, மொழித்துறைக்கு உண்டான அறை. நீங்கள் ஏதாவது தமிழ் பாட சம்பந்தமாக ஏதாவது கேட்கணும்னா அங்கே நான், ஈஸ்வரன் ஐயா 2 பேர் இருக்கோம். யார்கிட்ட வேணாலும் நீங்கள் கேட்டுக்கலாம், ஏதாவது விளக்கம் வேண்டுமென்றால். உங்களுக்கு பொதுவான செய்தி என்று சொல்லுகிற பொழுது, கல்லூரிக்கு நீங்கள் நேரிலே வருகை தருகிற பொழுது அப்பியரன்ஸ், தோற்றம் இருக்குது இல்லையா, ஆள் பாதி ஆடை பாதி. உன்னை பார்த்து ஒரு மதிப்பீடு செய்கிறாங்க அப்படின்னா நீ அணிந்து கொண்டிருக்கிற ஆடை, உன்னுடைய தோற்ற பொழிவு, இதை வைத்து தான் உன்னை ஒரு மதிப்பீடு செய்கிற இந்த சமுதாயம். நான் அடிக்கடி மாணவர்கள்ட்ட சொல்லுவேன், நீங்கள் தலைமுடி தீச்சட்டி மாதிரி இல்லை டிஃபன் பாக்ஸ் மாதிரிலாம் சொல்லுவாங்க பசங்க, கிண்டல் அடிப்பாங்க. அந்த மாதிரி தலைமுடியெல்லாம் வச்சுக்கிட்டு கல்லூரிக்கு வரக்கூடாது. இப்போ சமீபத்தில் கூட பார்த்தீங்கன்னா சில பள்ளிகளில் இது மாதிரி வரக்கூடிய மாணவர்களை அமர வைத்து ஒழுங்கான சீரான கட்டிங்லாம் பண்ணி விட்டுருக்குறாங்க. இதெல்லாம் தொலைக்காட்சிகளோடு காண்பித்தாங்க. அதே மாதிரி உடை என்று அணிகிற பொழுது சாதாரணமான உடை, ஒரு பேண்ட் ஷர்ட்டு, நீங்கள் டிஷர்ட் போட்டால் காலர் வைச்ச டிஷர்ட் தான் போடணும், காலர் இல்லா டிஷர்ட் போடக்கூடாது. அந்த மாதிரி சில ஆபாசமான வாசகங்கள் எழுதிய அந்த உடைகளை எல்லாம் அணிந்து கொண்டு வரக்கூடாது. பேசுகிற பொழுது நாகரிகமாக பேசணும். ஒரு கல்லூரியில் படிக்கிற மாணவன் எப்படி பேசணும், சென்னை தமிழில் பேசுகிற நிறைய பேர். அந்த மாதிரி பேசுகிற பொழுது சில முக்கியமான சில கெட்ட வார்த்தைகள், நான் வெளிப்படையாக சொல்கிறேன், கெட்ட வார்த்தைகளை தவிர்க்க வேண்டும். கல்லூரிக்குள்ளே இந்த மாதிரி நிறைய மாணவர்கள் பேசுவதை நான் கேட்டிருக்கேன். அப்போ இப்படியெல்லாம் நம்ம பழகுகிற போது தான் நம்ம இடத்துல ஒரு பண்பாடு, ஒரு நாகரிகம் வளரும். அந்த ஒழுக்கத்தை நீங்கள் கடைபிடிங்க. அடுத்ததாக நீங்கள் கல்லூரிக்கு வருகிற பொழுது பாடங்கள் நடத்துகிறாங்க, பாடங்கள் இல்லாத, பாட வேலை இல்லாத ஃப்ரீ பீரியட் இருக்கு இல்லையா, அந்த ஃப்ரீ பீரியடில் நீங்கள் நூலகத்தை பயன்படுத்தலாம். அங்கே போனீங்கன்னா உங்களுக்கு தேவையான மேகசின்ஸ் எல்லாமே இருக்கு. தினசரி செய்தித்தாள்ல இருந்து, வார பத்திரிகையிலிருந்து, மாத பத்திரிகையிலிருந்து நிறைய பத்திரிகைகள் வந்து உங்களுடைய அறிவை வளர்த்து கொள்ளக்கூடிய அத்தனை விதமான ஏற்பாடுகளும் நம்முடைய கல்லூரியில் இருக்கிறது. அதே மாதிரி முதல்ல சொன்னேன் இல்லையா உங்களுக்கு, நீங்கள் இந்த பேச்சு போட்டி, கட்டுரை போட்டி, கவிதை போட்டி இதெல்லாம் நாங்கள் அடிக்கடி நடத்துவாங்க. வெளி கல்லூரிகளுக்கு எல்லாம் கூட மாணவர்களை அனுப்புவாங்க. இது சம்பந்தமான அறிவிப்புகள் எல்லாம் நோட்டீஸ் போர்டில் போட்டிருக்கும். தமிழ் துறையில நோட்டீஸ் போர்டில் போட்டிருப்பாங்க, கல்லூரியிலும் பொதுவான நோட்டீஸ் போர்டில் போட்டிருப்பாங்க. அதை பார்த்துட்டு அது சம்பந்தமாக ஏதாவது விளக்கம் வேணும்னா வந்து தமிழ் துறையில் வந்து நீங்கள் கேட்டுக்கலாம். அது மாதிரி நீங்கள் வந்து அடுத்ததான் நீங்கள் கல்லூரிக்கு வருகிற பொழுது, போகிற பொழுது சில ஒழுங்குமுறையை போக்குவரத்தில் கடைபிடிக்கணும். நிறைய மாணவர்கள் இன்னைக்கு வந்து பார்த்தீங்கன்னா இருசக்கர வாகனங்கள் வராங்க. 3 பேர் 4 பேர் ஏறிக்கிட்டு வர்றது, ஹெல்மெட் போடாமல் வர்றது, இதெல்லாம் தவிர்க்கணும். என்ன போக்குவரத்து விதிகள் சொல்கிறதோ அந்த விதிகளை எல்லாம் நீங்கள் சரியாக கடைபிடிக்கணும் மாணவர்களே. நிறைய மாணவர்கள் இங்கே வந்து பார்க்கிற பொழுது லைசன்ஸ் இல்லாதே வரான். எது எந்தெந்த காலகட்டத்தில் நீங்கள் எடுத்து வச்சிருக்கணும், லைசன்ஸ் எடுத்துட்டு 2 வீலரில் வாங்க, அதில் எந்த பிரச்சனையும் இருக்கக்கூடாது. மாணவர்களே, இன்னொரு விஷயம் என்னன்னா, தாமதமாக நீங்கள் கல்லூரிக்கு வரக்கூடாது. அதே மாதிரி நீங்கள் சீக்கிரமாக கல்லூரி விட்டு போகக்கூடாது. அதற்கு உண்டான அந்த பாட வேலை, கல்லூரி வேலை நேரம் இது முழுவதையும் நீங்கள் கட்டாயமாக கடைபிடிக்கும். அப்படி தாமதமாக வருகின்ற ஒரு பழக்கம் உங்கள் இடத்துல வந்துருச்சுன்னா நீங்கள் பரீட்சைக்கே தாமதமாக வர மாதிரி ஆயிரும். ஆகவே மாணவர்களே, முன்கூட்டியே வந்துருங்க, வகுப்புல முழுமையாக உட்காருங்க, உட்கார்ந்து பாடங்களை கவனிங்க. பாட சம்பந்தமாக ஏதாவது சந்தேகம் இருந்தால் சம்பந்தப்பட்ட ஆசிரியர்களை கேளுங்க. இன்னொரு விஷயம் என்னன்னா, நீங்க தினந்தோறும் கல்லூரிக்கு வருகிற பொழுது நான் எல்லா மாணவர்களுக்கும் சொல்லக்கூடிய விஷயம் என்னன்னா, உங்க பெற்றோர் காலிலே விழுந்து ஆசி பெற்று அதன் பிறகு நீங்க கிளம்பி வாங்க. பெற்றோருக்கு அந்த மகிழ்ச்சியை கொடுங்க. உங்களுடைய பிறந்த நாள், உங்க பெற்றோருடைய திருமண நாள் போன்ற நாட்களில் அவர்களுடைய கால்களிலே விழுந்து ஆசீர்வாதம் பெறுங்க. தினந்தோறும் நிறைய மாணவர்கள் நான் பார்த்திருக்கிறேன். அந்த மாதிரி மாணவர்களிடத்திலே ஒரு ஒழுக்கம் கட்டாயமாக இருக்கிறது. இப்படி சில பொதுவான விஷயங்களை நீங்கள் வாழ்க்கையில் கடைபிடிக்கிற போது ஒரு சிறந்த மாணவராக, எதிர்காலத்தில் சிறந்த குடிமகன் சொல்றதுக்கு பயமா இருக்கு, சிறந்த பிரஜையாக, பிறமொழி சொல்லதான் பயன்படுத்த வேண்டியிருக்கு, சிறந்த பிரஜையாக நீங்கள் வருவீர்கள் என்று உங்களை வாழ்த்தி வருக வருக என்று மீண்டும் இந்த கல்லூரிக்கு உங்களை வரவேற்று மகிழ்கிறேன். வேறு ஏதேனும் உங்களுக்கு விளக்கம் இருக்கிற பொழுது நாங்கள் வந்து கல்லூரியில் அந்தந்த வகுப்பு பாட வேளையில் உங்களுக்கு நாங்கள் சொல்வோம். அனைவருக்கும் வாழ்த்துக்கள் மாணவர்களை. நன்றாக படித்து வாழ்க்கையில் முன்னேற வாழ்த்துகிறேன். நன்றி, வணக்கம்.
Thank you, sir. Now, I request our Head of the Department of Hindi to address the gathering.
Good morning, all the freshers. On behalf of Hindi Department, I, Dr. Annadhanam Madhu, welcome all the freshers. I wish all the freshers a very bright academic future.
Thank you, sir. Now I request the Head of the Department of Sanskrit to address the gathering.
A warm welcome to you all. I am Professor Ramadas, Department of Sanskrit. Acharyam padam adatte, padam shishya swamedhaya, padam sabbrahmacharibhya, padam kalakramena cha. Means, the students learn 1/4 of knowledge from the teacher and 1/4 from their own and 1/4 from the colleagues and 1/4 from the situation and the time. So, my mean is, you are going to learn verticile from most of the things from all the people, not alone from the teacher, that means in your department. So, open your mind and learn from everywhere. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I request the Head of the Department of French, Ms. V. Radha ma'am, to address the gathering.
Welcome students to Agarchan Manmal Jain College. I am Mrs. Radha, Head of the Department of French. We are very happy and proud to welcome your batch of fresh students. You are very special to us, like every batch, and you are special indeed because you come from a different background, academic background this time, and we understand very well that you have been handling a lot of pressure, tension, stress, uncertainty, fear, and whatnot. But now that you have taken admission to this college, you can be very happy and relaxed. And I have reasons to say this. Do you know that now you are a part of a celebrated and one of Chennai's oldest colleges? This college has produced very well-known academicians, physicists, scientists, administrators, lawyers, officers, people from so many walks of life. and we get to know about them year after year. Okay, so we welcome you once again to this celebrated college, Agarchan Manmal Jain College of Meenambakam in Chennai. Well, that's an introduction to the college where you're going to be a student from now onwards. And now I'm going to tell you about the Department of French. Those of you who have opted for French as a second language, a special and warm welcome to you all to the department. Let me give you a gist of what can be expected in the forthcoming years. If you are a student of BCom General, you will be studying French, any language for that matter, for 1 year, that is for 2 semesters. And if you belong to the other departments, BA, BSc, BCom, Corporate Secretaryship, you will be doing French for 2 years, 2 academic years, which will mean during 4 semesters. So, those who are going to do, the first year is common for all. The same textbook is for across all the disciplines, across all the departments. So, during the first year, you will learn about introducing yourself, speaking about your likes and dislikes, your opinion, introducing others. You can get to give directions about a place, tell the time, and all the basic grammar. You will know the present tense and the future tense. All that is covered during the first year. During the second year, those students who are going to do the second year will have access to some selected extracts of some French texts. You even have a poem. It is all a beautiful introduction to the French literature. You may think, why should I learn French literature? No, you're going to learn the French civilization also. So much so that you're going to enjoy it. You're going to broaden your horizon. Education is all about learning more, acquiring more knowledge and growing up in all respects. That's the reason why languages are also prescribed along with your core subjects. And being a part of the Department of French, you are also going to be, let me say, the global citizens. Okay, so you get introduced to the culture of another country also, along with their language. So that's the brief introduction I would like to give. And as I already quoted, this college has produced excellent scholars and people who have gone out to serve India and people of the other countries also. So very soon, I won't say very soon, in the years to come, I look forward to meeting you all someday in the alumni meet where you will take the stage and tell others what you have achieved having been the student of this college. So welcome once again and all the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Now, I request the head of the Department of English, Mr. Philip Chandrahasan, sir, to address the gathering.
Hello, good morning. I am Professor Philip, head of the Department of English, AM Jain College. It's my duty to welcome you all very warmly to AM Jain family. Many would have spoken about so many different things before me. I would like to touch upon only just 1 or 2 points. One is, so far you have been spoon-fed during your school days. Now we are coming to a different fold, a different phase in your life. This is from where you have to mold yourself. And it is our duty to mold you to be a proper citizen. I don't want to give too much of advices because younger generation, they don't like advices, but it is our duty. We have to only guide you. We are not going to admonish you, we are not going to pressurize you or anything, but from now on you are going to be on your own legs and you have to walk. We can only show you how to walk and where to go. And it is your duty to mold yourself. See, even today, the Prime Ministers, the CMs, everybody, they were all students one day. They were all students only. So you too have to strive from now on. Work very, very hard for 6 years and cross your legs for 60 years. For the 60 years. This is my advice. So whether you're going to cross your legs and help others later, or whether you're going to be always a dependent from now on, it is going to be in your hands. So I can only tell you, along with your parents, that From now on, you are on your own. You have to choose what is right and what is wrong. It is up to you totally. Your future is in your hands, not in our hands. We can only show you the path. So there are many organizations here, like Rotary, others would have told you about it. I can only tell you, after coming into AM Jain College after the pandemic and everything, when you pray very well, when you get reopened later, I only wish that you enjoy the best part of your life, college life. Surely, I can, a few words to parents also. Children will be always little overconfident. Sometimes, what we advise, they may not listen. So we need not get upset about it, but leave them in their own way. Let them learn it sometimes in the hard way. So this is my advice, and once again, my warm welcome to all of you. Come into AM Jain family. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir. Now I request the head of the Department of Economic, Dr. V.S. Murli, sir, to address the gathering.
Very good morning to you, one and all. Welcome to all the freshers of AM Jain College. You have joined this institution, the great institution which was established in 1952. Whatever course that you have joined here, you have got greater responsibility towards your family as well as to your society. In this pandemic, many families would have suffered a lot in terms of health as well as economics. You have a greater responsibility to shoulder in yourself to contribute much better in your academics and come out with flying colors, take care of your family, and to have a bright future. Of course, there are certain things which you have got to know. You have very good campus, facilities are there, make use of them, sports, library, and clarify the academics as and when it comes to you from the faculties of the department. And while traveling, be careful. And in this pandemic period, you need to maintain the social distancing, and wearing mask and all should be adopted for yourself, your good self, and also for others who are traveling along with you. It's a wonderful campus. Make use of it. Come out with flying colors, add value to your education, maintain discipline in the college, campus, as well as in the society, and all the success for your future endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Good day to all the students of the first year. It is a great day for all the teachers too to see you and talk to you. At the outset, I should say this year, all the 12 lakh students who wrote the examination have been cleared. Out of this, if you're going to analyze the various courses such as medical, engineering, agriculture, homeopathic, Siddha, and then arts and science, the total number of seats available are 8 lakhs. So there are 4 lakh students who have not got a UG admission in our college. So that means every one of you who have joined here, about 400 students have lost their seat. So the greatest value is you have to recognize that you are one of the lucky few who have got a seat and are going to study. So that is the first opportunity which is opened up in this chaotic pandemic life. That's the first one. The second one, our college has got extremely phenomenal teachers who are from the various departments, and I teach history, which is going to be extremely useful for students opting for competitive examinations. So second, make use of the various facilities which are available in our college. That is number 2. And number 3, what is the duty of a student? The duty and responsibility of the student is that you should develop yourself into good citizens for tomorrow. You have to take the examples of Abdul Kalam, who said that the future of India lies in the hands of the youth. So you happen to be the youth of this country, and you are going to be in the next 10 years take over the mantles of not only the government, of the executive, and also all the branches of administration. When this honest responsibility lies with you, what you have to do is you have to focus on the goals ahead for you is education. So you have to study well. Whatever degree you're doing, whatever degree you're pursuing, pursue it with a sense of attitude that you will be the first. Just imagine that about 1,000 of you here pass out of the degree 3 years later together. What greater pleasure than all of us can have that all the students here who have successfully completed and got your degree. So this is the dream of every teacher here, that his student becomes extremely successful. So the journey has just started for you, and the journey can be achieved only by hard work and dedication and by your application. Be responsible, because the responsibility that you're going to achieve will drive you towards your goal. So with these words, I wish you all the best for the next 3 years in AM Jain College. Good luck. God bless. Thank you all.
Now I request the head of the Department of Philosophy to address the gathering.
Hi, good morning everyone. I am Dr. Manikandan, head of the Department of Philosophy, Agachan Manmohan Jain College. I am really happy and congratulate all the students who have joined our college. You have made one of the best and fantastic choice in your life in 12 years, right? Or in 17 years by joining our college. Our college is one of the premier higher education institution and the topmost college in the Tamil Nadu, which offers more number of courses both in Shift 1 and Shift 2. We have amazing infrastructure, the art of infrastructure, in which students can make use of it. We have wonderful library, which houses more than lakhs of books and journals for the reference and for the studies. And our college has wonderful faculties. All the departments, faculties are excellent. They are unique in their own domain of knowledge. I congratulate students. Why? Because in Tamil Nadu, nearly 1 million students take their 12th examination. About only 2.5 lakh seats are available for arts and science colleges. So imagine, my dear students, out of 10 lakhs and only 2.5 lakh seats are available, and you people have joined the course already, where some people are waiting outside for joining the courses. Really, it is very difficult to get a seat. No, it is because of your parents' blessings and the God blessing, you got the seat in Agachan Manmohan Jain College. So one request I am putting forward to you students is that, like, as you pass your 12th examination, I request all of you to get a degree after 3 years. I want to see, on offline, all of you getting your degree and the smiles from your parents. Our college is an excellent infrastructure, as I told you. Why I am saying is that our college is equipped with more than more than 150 surveillance cameras. It is not because I'm threatening you, it is only to make more caution and take an extra care of the students right from the entry to the exit point.
Now I request the head of the Department of Physics, Dr. N. Ramesh sir, to address the gathering.
Hi, hello everyone. I am N. Ramesh, head of the Physics Department. Congratulations to you all for having joined our institution in the UG and PG programs. I extend a warm welcome to the whole of AM Jain College. Here, I am sure that you will be spending your fantastic time of your life, the entire lifetime to remember and cherish. I am sure that the facilities and the other activities that are going to be extended to you will nurture and enhance your talents and skills in curricular, co-curricular and extracurricular activities. You will certainly know after 2 or 3 years later, you will remember what I said is true. So I will come to the physics department. The physics department is a PG and a research department. It has been there since the inception of our college in 1952, and therefore it is as old as the college. Completed 69 years and entering into the 70th year of the college. And the department has got talented teachers. Our tradition is to provide quality physics education with a blend of young, talented, enthusiastic, experienced teachers who have vast experience in the fields as divergent as spectroscopy, nanoscience, quantum mechanics, theoretical physics, quantum optics, crystallography, and condensed matter theory. So, all the students of physics, both UG and PG, will get the thorough experience of research as well as the teaching of our faculty who have produced more than 120 papers, articles in national and international level. We have 3 independent labs, one for UG, PG and research with the state-of-the-art technology equipments and modern equipments, and are very well maintained by 4 lab personnel. And in short, I would say that the opportunity that you get in our department in AM Jain College is to go to the level of fixing your career in physics up to taking up a PhD program right after your 12th standard. So it is going to be a very great grand gala time for you people, the UG 3 years and PG 2 years. And I extend once again a warm welcome to you all and say goodbye for now. Bye.
Good morning, one and all. It is a great pleasure to welcome you all. I am T. Madhavan, Head of the Department of Chemistry. I take this opportunity to wish all the students to have great success in your education. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now I request the Head of the Department of Commerce, Dr. M. Sampath sir, to address the gathering.
Good morning to all friends. On behalf of Department of Commerce and our staff members and principal and esteemed management, once I am welcoming to you the department and college. In the sitting and all over the Tamil Nadu, the Commerce Department is very richest department in academic line. So for example, for want of getting admissions, very tough in the AM Jain College, that too in Commerce. Every year we have received minimum 3,500 applications for 210 seats. Luckily you got enough, by God's grace you are placed. But you have to take much care on your academic side and go ahead on your own ideas. You are coming from the schools, you have got lot of dreams and all. Just keep your dreams in aside. Just come to the college and department on time and concentrate on your academic studies. Your motto only is getting degree more than 85%. Mostly all of them are first learners generations, degree holders. I wish to all to get success in your life and take care of your parents. Once again, my warm welcome on behalf of management and Department of Commerce and other departments heads also. I welcome you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, I request the Head of the Department of Corporate Secretaryship, Mrs. A. Sharmila Ma'am, to address the gathering.
My dear students and parents, happy to see all of you. I am Sharmila, Head of the Department of Corporate Secretaryship. Dear students, it's a great day in your life today. You have entered the place of learning. I hope you have fulfilled journey of 3 years in this great campus. Our department is introduced in the year of 1975. Professor M. Balak Subramaniam is the first HOD of our department. In our course designed to have a specialized training on corporate behavior, company accounting practices, and company law and secretarial practices. You belong choice-based credit system, and in the final year, it's mandatory to take institutional training, which will fetch you an excellent background to enter your corporate world. As students, you have the opportunities to do professional course like CA, CS, and CMA during your course period itself. Now, our department will produce high percentage of results. At the same time, they will so many students will got your rank holders. And the department will conduct so many seminars, competitions to welfare of the students. And our department students always will be acting as extra co-curricular activities like NSS, NCC, Road Track, Consumer Club, like that. Our students will always actively participate in that extracurricular activities. Okay. Our department will produce so many alumni in various departments. They will shine in various posts. Students, do you improve your communication skills, read more and learn more? All the best. God bless all of them. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Now I request Physical Director, Dr. S. Ravikumar sir, to address the gathering.
Greetings from the Department of Physical Education. I am the Director of Physical Education of our college, S. Ravikumar. I would like to convey you two things regarding the sports activities of our college. First one, as soon as we receive guidelines and permission from the government for conducting sports activities in schools and colleges, we will conduct our college team selection trials for all the sports. The selected students will represent our college for various sports and in the university tournaments. Second one, there are 8 departments in our college. The inter-department matches will be conducted in the second semester among the departments. For further information and things will be put up in the notice board. As soon as you come to college, you can see the instructions. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Now I request Librarian Dr. R. Sujata ma'am to address the gathering.
Welcome all. I am Dr. R. Sujata, Librarian. I am with Agarchan Mammal Jain College for the past 10 years. Today, I will be briefing our knowledge about our college library. Dear students, today you all came to know through this online orientation how library is organized and how to become familiar with library resources and librarian. Our library was established in the year 1952. Library will be kept open all the working days between 8:15 a.m. to 5 p.m. Students are expected to conduct themselves properly and maintain a very high order of discipline inside the library. Strictly silence should be observed inside the library and strictly mobile phones are not allowed inside the library. Now we look into the library collections. We have collections of books around 69,000 which are arranged accordingly DV decimal classifications. We have collections of books around 69,000 which are arranged accordingly to DV Decimal Classification Schedule 23rd edition. We are subscribing around 11 printing journals, 10 newspapers and 18 magazines. Our college library is partially submitted with integrated library software which is EasyLead. We have OPAC, that is Online Public Access Catalog for search the library books details. In addition to this print collection, the library has obtained membership to access of Enlist through the Enlist Consortium, that is subscribed from the UGC Enlist Consortium, through which we can access to 6,000 number of e-journals and 1 lakh of e-books for the benefit of students. We have very good number of book bank books. We are having Padma Shri Mohanmil Chodia Book Bank scheme is operated since from 2012-13. Applications are available with the librarian. For deserving students are given books for the subjects of a semester for all the 3 for UG and 2 years for the PG students. Once received, applications are duly filled and forwarded by the HOD. Selected students are intimated shortly and advised to pay the rupees 150 for UG, 200 for PG students to the office towards fees for admission into the book bank scheme. On the receipt of payment, books are given under this scheme can be used by the students during a particular semester and are expected to return the books to the library at the end of the semester once the examinations are over and can borrow the next semester books. Now we can look into the library general rules and regulations. Students who happen to have no class on a particular day are expected to be in the library. Strict silence should be observed inside the library. Students use the library will have to enter the personal details and sign in the register kept in the gate. While each undergraduate students will be given 2 library cards. A postgraduate students entitled with 3 library cards. Students can borrow books against their library cards on any working day up to the 1:30 p.m. For each book borrowed, they need to surrender 1 library card which they can get back once the book is returned to the library. A student can take maximum number of UG 2 books, PG 3 books at a time. Can be retained by the student for a period of 1 month. Only once the renewal has been done. If the book is renewed, if the book is not need, they can return the book at any time. Students are not permitted to sublet the books which they borrowed from the library. Books which are not in a good condition will not be issued to the students by the librarian. For students who fail to return the library book on the due date, last stamped on a fine of ₹1 rupee per book will be collected per day thereafter. Further, books will not be issued until the fine is paid. If book is lost, the same title should be replaced by the students. If the book is not in print, that is out of print, 3 times of the cost of the books will be collected. A book that is in special demand may not be lent out for a period of shorter than 1 month. The book loan may be terminated by the librarian at any time. Books in the reference section and periodicals are not for the loan. They may be kept inside the library for the reference purpose. The borrower of a book is responsible for its proper care and maintenance. If student is library card or book, he or she will be lost. The matter should be reported to the librarian, that is to me, immediately. If not done so, the person on whose card is lended, he will be responsible for it. Library card will have to be surrendered at the end of the semester, that is your end of the course. No due certificates will be issued to the students, which he or she have to submit the same to the college office to correct your final degree certificates and your plus 2 mark sheets and TC. In library, we have 2 supporting staff for our general routine to be function effectively. Mr. Dharmendra Kumar from shift 1 and Ms. Sudha from shift 2. I would like to be concluded some of the highlighting and best practicing of our library, which includes ready reference collections, thesis collection and good number of back volumes. That is from 1952 we are maintaining. Book bank scheme, weekend issue of reference books and herbal pesticide. Students can contact me through my library mail ID. For contact details, lib@amjaincollege.edu.in. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now I request Office Superintendent J. Ravichandran sir to address the gathering.
I am J. Ravichandran, Superintendent. I am very happy to welcome you, first years, to our college. Our college office is open to all your needs. We help you to get the scholarship for students and all other certificates like bona fide certificates. You have joined a great college and you have to make use of all its facilities and infrastructures. On behalf of the college office, I welcome you to AM Jain College and wishing you all the best. Study well and good wishes. Thank you.
Thank you so much, sir.
Now I request the in charge of NSS, Mrs. K. Sumitra ma'am, to address the gathering.
A very good morning to one and all. On behalf of NSS Program Officer, I am the one of the Program Officer, Sumitra. We have in our college, we have 4 units. Each unit we have 100 students. So we have 4 units and we have 4 NSS Program Officer. This NSS program, it comes under the government of Ministry of Youth Affairs and Sports. Okay, it's Government of India. We have a regular camp and a special camp. In regular camp, we have a lot of activities we will conduct, like a blood donation, then Mahatma Gandhiji birth anniversary, then AIDS. Well, there are a lot of programs. These are all regular activities. It's recommended by the Government of India that we follow. Okay, and we have a special camp. We have 7 days camp. We will adopt one village and we will go there and we will service. We have a lot of program in that 7 days. So we have 2 things: regular camp and the special camp. And other thing is the motto of our NSS is not me but you. This is our motto. And the aim of this NSS is education through service. So through education, we will do service. This is our motto. And next thing is in our college, we have conduct lot of activities. In regular activities, we have a future plan and we did lot of programs. In future plan also, we have regular activities, lot of things. The main thing is if you join NSS, you have in government jobs, you have a credit for this. 5 mark credit marks. So only NSS, NCC, you will credit mark for your government service. So if you join NSS, you will gain your marks. So I request all the first years, those who are willing to join NSS, you can approach the NSS program officer and we will send the link to you and you can join. The main motive, those who are willing to join us, the students want to service to the society. This is the main motive of our NSS. So kindly join NSS. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Now I request the in charge of NCC, Mr. N. Ramadas sir, to address the gathering.
Namaste. Good morning to one and all. I am Lieutenant A. Ramadas, Associate NCC Officer, AM Jain College, Battery Unit. In our college, we have Army Wings 2 units. One is battery and another is signal. And each has 50-50 cadet strength. So totally 100. For the newcomer, for first year enrollment, there are around 40 vacancies are there. So I urge you people to join NCC to learn many things. The motto of the NCC is unity and
discipline. So you learn how to live your life and you develop the three main things. One is physical strength and another is mental strength as well as the verbal strength. So you will be able to face this society in a better way. So once again I urge you all people, maximum you try to come and join the NCC. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Now, I request the in charge of Student Development Council, Dr. K. Suchitra ma'am, to address the gathering.
Namaste. Warm greetings to all. I am Dr. K. Suchitra from the Department of Mathematics. On behalf of the Student Development Council called as SDC, I welcome you all to our AMJC family. The Student Development Council of our college is a vibrant forum to represent your interest and it is aimed to promote your welfare in the campus. The council conducts activities to identify and nurture talents and provide a platform for exhibiting your creativity. Being a part of this council will make you to gain organizational and leadership skills. It also encourages you to participate in extracurricular activities on and off the campus. The Student Development Council is led by the principal, president of the council and the faculty vice presidents. All students of the college are members of the Student Development Council. The students of the council will be represented by their respective class representatives. The Student Development Council has 8 office bearers, the chairperson, vice chairperson, secretary and assistant secretary from both boys and girls elected by secret ballot from among the electoral college. The activities of the Student Development Council will start after the investiture ceremony. Every year, cultural events are organized under the banner called Yuva Utsavam in 2 phases. As a first phase, on-stage events are conducted to bring out the skills in various languages, arts, cookery and marketing through events like essay writing, oratorical, poem writing, quiz, mehendi, rangoli, cooking without fire, product packaging, ads up and finally treasure hunt. As a second phase, on-stage events are conducted to bring out the talents in various art forms through solo singing, Paattukku Paattu, Ore Oru Nimidam Tamizhil, adapt tune, short film and fashion shows. Apart from this, the members of the council actively participate and contribute for special occasions like Republic Day, Independence Day, Founders Day and Pongal celebrations. The student office bearers and faculty vice presidents largely encourage and motivate the students to take part in intercollegiate competitions. I hope you all will make use of this platform to the level best to enrich your talents and take our college to the next higher level. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Now, I request the in charge of Rotary Club, Dr. R. Balamukundan sir, to address the gathering.
Dear students, I am happy to meet all of you, my dear students and my dear parents. You have joined a great institution. This institution will fetch you not only the knowledge pertaining to academia, but also it will make you turn a good human being. So I am Dr. R. Balamukundan. I am in charge of the prestigious extracurricular department that is Rotaract Club of AMJ College, Shipwan. Rotaract Club works on different avenues. We have club service, we have community service, we have professional service, and we also have international service. Every year we start the activities with installation. We install the new office bearers headed by the president of our club and also the secretary of our club. Following the installation, there will be projects done inside the campus and also the projects done in collaboration with other clubs. Rotary Club will fetch you excellent platform to improve your leadership skills, your professional skills, and it will also fetch excellent rapport with students not only from our institution but also from different institutions. The first motto of Rotaract is to develop friendship, is to nurture friendship. You will get excellent set of friends, you can move with them, you can learn a lot, you can develop your organizing skills, organizing abilities, and more. Some of the legendary projects, legacy projects, I want to go there. Every year, 25th December, we visit Cancer Institute at Adyar, and we provide all the cancer afflicted patients with Krypton biscuits. And every 2nd October, we visit zoo for our legacy project Saranayam, and we do a mass cleaning program there inside the premises of Mandalur Zoo, and we also do animal adoption programs on that particular day. We have Pongal celebrations. We have adapted an orphanage called Seed. Our activities is not restricted to one place. Activities will move to different corners. I hope if you join Rotaract Club, you can nurture your potential. There is no doubt. You have excellent set of seniors in second year as well as in third years. The moment you enter the premises, when you have your full-fledged classes every day, your seniors will meet you. They will also give you the application form. You can submit the application and you can enroll yourself as Green Rotaractor. The moment you enroll, we are going to have an excellent orientation program. Rotarians and Rotaractors, senior Rotaractors will address you. They will teach you the guidelines. They will teach you the hierarchy of Rotaract Club, everything, so that you know what is what in Rotaract. I hope you have an excellent 3-year degree. The moment you complete your degree in 2024, I hope you become a full-fledged human being in your studies as well as an excellent man with as an excellent human being, with humanitarian concern. Thank you, Lord. Thanks a lot. All the best. God bless all of you.
Thank you, sir.
I take this opportunity to thank our Secretary in charge, Sri Shanti Nanjinaka, who has been the person who has been guiding us all through in every single event that happens in this college, for which this particular event is not an exception. He takes keen interest on all the academic and the other co-curricular and extracurricular activities that happens in this college, for which we are all indebted to him greatly. So thank you, sir, for your constant support. I thank the committee members of the management committee for lending their support in every way that is possible to run this college in a very proper manner and conceive this particular presentation. I thank our principal, Dr. N. Venkataraman, who puts his mind into even the smallest of aspects of everything that happens in this college. And this particular program is also included in that. If this program is come out this way, it is only because of the efforts of our principal. He takes care of every aspect that is important, even the least important aspects he takes care of and includes it. He deserves real thanks from everyone who is involved in this presentation. I thank all the head departments, the various departments, for sharing their views in the new entrants in the college, which will make their stay in the college more comfortable and meaningful. I thank all the faculty members who have rendered their support in different ways for the production of this particular program, which will reach the students in the most comfortable at the maximum level. Well, I think I should thank all the technical staff who are involved in the broadcasting of this video. Then they independently made this video, for which they really deserve wonderful thanks. I thank you students for this production of this video. I thank the parents of the students who have joined this college for choosing this college to put your word in this here for their study either in undergraduation or post-graduation. Last but not the least, the students, the first year students who have joined this college just now, I thank them not in one way, but more than one way. Number one, I thank you students for choosing this college as a college for studying in either undergraduate or your postgraduate course, number one. Number two, in anticipation that you will be performing well, you will be a successful student, you will make your parents happy, and your parents as well as the college proud by becoming the most successful student. I thank you beforehand. Thanks one and all who have been involved in this production of this video, either directly or indirectly, which I may have probably omitted as well. It is only because of time. Thank you very much.
Just the gathering.
Thank you, sir.
It gives us an immense pleasure to deliver the vote of thanks for this wonderful event.
We would like to thank you, our HOD professor and management staff who honored this function with their inspirations thought.
It's a matter of pride for us that we got a chance to thank everyone present here.
Now I request everyone to raise up for the national anthem.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जनगण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे